Smoked carnitas tacos. The vegetables are chopped, placed on the bottom with the shoulder on top into a slow cooker with up to 2 ounces of homemade seasoning, orange juice, an ice cube, and twist. Saute the onions. Remove the pith from the limes. Caramelizing the onions prior truly adds flavor depth. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Better than Bullion vegetable base to truly make a wonderful flavor depth. Mix everything till well combined and cook 6 to 8 hours on low in the slow cooker. After the shoulder has been fully cooked, take it out and shred it very fine. To really enhance the flavor profile of the shredded pork, put it back into the slow cooker. Grab a can of Chipotles and adobo sauce. Pour a little bit of the sauce into the slow cooker. Take the peppers, and now you're going to make a slaw. Use one of those kits that you see at the grocery store. A little bit of Cotija cheese. Mix everything till well combined. And do use that avocado ranch dressing. It actually complements everything very well with the carnitas. Strain the carnitas, and then you'll have the most perfect tacos.